Hey guys, so I'm out in Phoenix right now. I'm actually in my brother's apartment's hot tub. My brother Destin, what's up? He invited me down because he just got his wisdom teeth removed today, so he's out for the week, so I get to hang out with him. But thankfully, because he's in Phoenix, I get to see my buddy Chris and I get to see my buddy V2. So I'm actually going to be installing my old RSW wing on Chris's car. For those of you that don't know, he is the half-wrap Egyptian Veloster, and then for my KDM guys, my buddy V2 is the Peach wide body Genesis. And so, good friends of mine. I'm super stoked that I get to see them. I actually earlier, Dustin and I got to see my buddy Trevor. He's gonna be moving down to Havasu here in the next month, but I'm really glad I got the opportunity to come see him before he left. But let's go ahead and cut to whenever Chris is over here and we're working on the wing. All right guys, it is the morning now and look who showed up.
Hi baby girl, hi everybody.
So he has the Egyptian wrap on his Veloster and thankfully he's buying my wing from me.
Whee!
Thanks Chris.
Hey, of course.
I know you wanted it for a while.
I've always wanted your wing. Always.
And since I have this wang now, he can have my little wang. But this is Chris's beautiful, like beautifully wrapped fucking Veloster, dude. This thing is, I love this thing. Cause who was the wrap shop that did this?
It was Wrap Sesh and Vinyl Vixen out here in Arizona.
Jesus, dude. I remember seeing this in person and well, over like the internet, I was very like, I didn't know how I was gonna feel about it. Dude, seeing it in person is absolutely gorgeous.
And that was my same look, man. Going through the rendering stuff, I was very questionable the whole time until I saw it and picked it up the night before IFO, and then I was just blown away with the work that they did.
It absolutely gorgeous. Like there's so many little details, guys. Like the tail lights were overlaid. Like it's a half wrap and it's so gorgeous. And next, it'll be gorgeous with the wing.
Big wing. And the carbon fiber wing will actually finally finish off my rear end since my front splitter's APR carbon too. So
yeah, actually
more carbon. And
so what we're doing right now is we're gonna figure out, actually, you know what, fuck it, dude. Mount it like this.
Yeah, just do it, send it.
Mask
Send it, we'll just go right through the glass.
Put some masking tape on it, fuck it. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and mock everything up, put everything on, probably drill some holes, and we're gonna do some cutting. Yay, more things to go wrong on our Velosters.
I love cutting shit.
But Chris has been an OG with me for a long time, so let's go ahead and get to work, buddy.
Let's do it, bro.
Let's go ahead and, I guess at this point, just try to see where everything marks up and like start masking, mark holes, and drill. All right, guys, so Chris is on a meeting somewhere down that way. And so what I'm doing is that he helped me mock up the wing on the car. And so with that, I masked around the brackets to see where everything needs to mark. May look a little bit chaotic, but it works. So if you see that line, it's supposed to line up here. This is supposed to line up at the bottom, at the top, on the side. And so what I did is that I wish I had my hole punch. I think I left it at home. I just grabbed my little pick tool and just I marked the masking tape underneath, which also marked this. So you can actually see the 2 holes there, 2 holes there, and 2 holes there. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and drill everything out. I'm gonna do some pilot holes. On the back side of the deck, we have to notch a hole out for the hardware. And then on this side is gonna be easy. It should be easy at least. And then we install the wing. So I think cut to when Chris is done with his meeting, and I am probably gonna have this installed. It takes like 2 seconds, guys, to be honest. This wing is just more so, a lot of it's just tedious measuring and making sure everything looks right. But all right, guys, anyways, let's get to drilling. Okay, guys, so we have to run to Home Depot.
Always parts.
Yeah, so well, I was installing it, and yeah, I lost a nut, and then I don't know how, but I lost a one of the bolts too. So we're gonna go run to Home Depot, get another pair of these just to be safe. But yeah, wing's already almost on. Wing's slightly on. What do you think, Chris?
I think it's purple.
It is purple, but
No, it looks good.
yeah, I'm super stoked. I'm really happy that you got it. I'm so happy.
Me too.
But
Worth it.
yeah, 100% worth it. But all right, time for Home Depot. As I dropped a ton of hardware, we came back. We got our stuff, got what we needed. And actually, I should probably... You had ass. You didn't, you left two fucking washers. You left two washers on.
I mean, if I'm paying you for work, I gotta make sure it's done right.
You know what? You're right. Yeah. Honestly, guys, I didn't want to record any of the drilling or anything like that because Chris can attest to this. That was a pain.
It was a shit show. It was not fun. It was a nightmare, like most things, but it worked.
Come on. We're almost there, guys. Ignore how much brute force I have to use for my old wing. Come on, buddy. There we go. No issues, guys. But what's your opinion on the wing, Chris?
I mean, it's big. It's beautiful. Just like
Because you have the D-wing. Well, you have the D-wing at home.
I do have the D-wing at home. I liked the look of it, but it got oversaturated in the market a lot.
And to be honest, it's not like, it's cool, but
like with our arrow, your arrow and like my arrow,
and
this
like
wing is way more aggressive than the D-wing.
Yeah.
And it flows.
And those, like the setup you've got, like, I think that the RSW wing fits perfectly for your car.
Yeah, because not everybody can have, you know,
Big chassis mount.
Big Daddy wing.
And now,
it's good. It's good.
Christian installed. If it falls apart on you while you're driving, don't come asking for me. I will be in Vegas.
No insurance, no warranty.
No, nothing.
Yeah.
You got the cost of the wing and you had complimentary install.
With a smile.
Yeah. But I think it looks sick, dude.
Me too.
I'll go and take that from you. But honestly, guys, I really enjoy it. I love this wing so much. Like this was my first wing that I had from that was when I was still silver, right?
Yep. So what would that have been? 2018.
Yeah, no, I think I had it in 2017 actually.
First time I saw it, 18.
Yeah.
So, yeah, and it was the beginning of 18, so it would have been like February of 18. So yeah, towards
Yeah.
the end of 17, I think is when you got it.
Yeah, so I've owned this wing since end of 2017, and I think it goes so well with Chris's car.
Thank you, baby girl.
Mm-hmm. And now you put everything back, sir.
I do that.
But all right, guys, so next up we have a shoot with V2, and I'm gonna be heading over to V2's house a little later, so let's go ahead and head over there. All right, guys, we are at my boy V2's. I got the car here, and we've got my buddy's beautiful wide body Genesis, and this thing's actually turboed now. I'm sure he won't mind me reaching in and taking a look at it. Let's see. I know he was saying that something and the latch. You know what? We'll save that for when he gets back. But he also has this little 350Z, nothing crazy yet, but he's got some plans for it. He's got the Nismo front end already on it, and I love the Nismo Z's. I love any Nismo front bumper. I came from a 2013 Nissan Sentra, and the Nismo front bumper on that car, but the star of the show is his wide body Genesis. So this actually is not a wrap. This is full paint. Everything is so beautiful. It's this peachy color, and oh, my heart. I love this car so much. But he's got some heritage wheels, some 1811.5, I believe, and then 1813 in the rear. And then, so he's part of Elevate. Let's see, he's got the flamingo fucking interior. And just, oh. Once V2 comes out here, he's got to move his cars out and stuff, but once he comes out, I'll have him show you guys the engine bay. I love this car so much. We compete with each other in like shows and everything like that. I think we would, if depending on the judge, it kind of goes back between either of us for winning first in our category. Look what we've got here.
What's up, brother?
This is my boy V2.
Yeah.
Here, hold on, pop your hood for me real quick. I was just telling the boys and girls that you and I go head to head in shows.
Nah, bro, my car's trash.
Nah, dude, your car is fucking beautiful. I love it. Here, you can go ahead and go move your car. I'll talk about your car. So, what turbo kit is it, by the way?
It's the Remedy.
Yeah?
Yeah, the 72.
Dude, oh. So he's running a little turbo right here. Everything is painted to match the paint. Honestly, his engine bay is so nice. He's got a little few hiccups here and there, but to be honest, like, who doesn't? I mean, this is the, if I'm correct, it is the V6 with a turbo. He said he's supposedly making 450, I think is what he said. But God help me, it feels so nice. We just went to go wash cars yesterday, and this thing hauls. For what it is as a show car, this thing moves. I love this thing. But, let's see, let's get a, oh man. But, V2, you ready for our shoot, buddy?
Oh, I'm ready, bro.
Dude.
I need to do another wipe down, though.
Me too. But
Right.
anyways, guys.
Cold start or what?
Oh, let's get a cold start, guys. All right, boy. I think we're gonna go ahead and start getting ready for the meet. Like I said, we just gotta wipe our cars down real quick, and we'll go ahead and get started. I'll bring you guys back when, what, downtown Phoenix is what you said?
Yes.
Yes, downtown Phoenix, so I'll see you guys there. All right, guys, so we're actually at the shoot right now. Right now, we're actually shooting with V.N.C. Media. He is way under the bridge over there. And we got V2, and we've actually got Krispyzzz over here. So, right now what we're doing is we're getting all of our shots lined up. We're actually doing a video. I didn't think we were gonna do a video shoot today. And yeah, I'm gonna try to get some footage while we're doing this, so maybe some bloopers. Are we double cameraing?
Oh, shit. Yeah. What's up, buddy?
What's going on? Little camera tap? But yeah, guys, so we got V2 out here.
My boy Crispy.
I know. What's going on, Crispy? Clean Static Z. Honestly, guys, I love that kind of bumper. And then we got V.N.C. Media over there. So doing a little, under the bridge, a little video. V2, I didn't expect us to do a little video
I know
shoot.
it was gonna be a photo shoot, but I'll take a video too.
Hey, right? But like I said, guys, gonna try to do some little bloopers. So it's a little bit later, a lot bit later actually. Finished the shoot. It was really awesome. It was really cool meeting Krispy. Well, it was like Krispyzzz. It was really cool meeting V.N.C Media, and it's always a pleasure to see my boy V2. I'm over at the gas station right now. I'm filling up. Gotta get the nice gas station lighting. But yeah, guys, so I'm just filling up right now. I'm gonna be heading home. It's about a 4.5 hour drive. So I'm gonna end the video here. So I just wanna say thank you to everyone that I was able to see out here in Arizona. I was able to install my old wing onto Chris's old Veloster. I was able to meet up with V2, wash cars. I was able to do a photo shoot with some people, and it's awesome. Great time, always a pleasure, Phoenix. And nothing to do but drive home. So, like I said, guys, gonna end the video here tonight. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.